Alrighty guys, so I need some help. Anybody out there that does woodworking or works with torches ever? Brand new bottle. Okay. I got this kit as a gift from a neighbor. Came with this bottle. This bottle was empty. And came with a couple pieces, whatever, right? So I was gonna use it because I'm working on a project. I was gonna burn the wood, but when I turn it on, it does that. If I turn this up, it does not. I don't get the blue flame. I only get a weak flame. Help me out, guys, in the comments. Tell me what to do.